Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Stolen bike recovered after robbery, robbed again in police custody. Spare parts of two-wheeler are missing. It's a theft inside police station. Seven additional PCR vans, tight night vigils. South Goa police gears up against rising thefts, but robbers strike north. Two thefts in Mapsa. It will be end of state congress if they deny me the ticket for Panji by-poll. Babush will withdraw if I contest, says Surendra Furtado in head-on. Price of non-subsidized LPG cut by steep 113 rupees per cylinder. Fifth straight reduction in rates of non-subsidized LPG. Price of jet fuel also slashed by 4.1%. FC Goa move into second position in ISL with superb victory over North United. Zico's boys round up home campaign with third consecutive victory. Now the news in detail. There is no guarantee that a robbed vehicle which is recovered and kept under police custody will not be robbed again. Jesus Antau has alleged that his son's two-wheeler spare parts are missing while it was in police custody. Sheldon Antau had met with an accident few days back and his two-wheeler is now lying without battery, seat and a headlight. That too in police custody. His father has held police responsible for the missing spare parts and has demanded intervention by Home Minister.
Sheldon Antau had met with an accident on 24th November. He was travelling from Shichini to Madgaon. After accident, he was admitted to hospital and his two-wheeler was brought to Madgaon police station. Sheldon's father came to police station to take custody of the bike, but to his horror, he found that seat, battery and other spare parts were missing. Now, literally the skeleton of motorcycle is lying at the police station.
आज हम इंश्योरेंस वाला को मुझे काम वाला को इंश्योरेंस वाला को ये लो अत्यंत साइने पुलिस रिपोर्ट आड़ी मु पुलिस रिपोर्ट तीन चोपा गेले आख्या मोटरसायकल नागुड केले पहिले आल्लो तेसना बॅटरी ओइली आणि सीट ओइले सीटा यार भर पार्ट्स ओइले सगळे चोन ओइले आमुटा पुलिस स्टेशना भितो दौताय ती जबाबदार पुलिसां गेली एक मनीस मेल मुट्री लासलो त्याच ओइले पेट्रोल घाताय पुलिस आणि तो कालांगुटकार कित सांगता तो म्हाका फोन केल्यार केस हाल्लो तो वयलो तो मोटरसायकल तो म्हाका सांगता पात्रांव तू आणि केस कोणाका त्या बॅटरी पयशे आपण दित खंय हांवें ताका विचारलें बॅटरी पयशे दिता आनी एअर पार्ट्स वयले ते सीट वयले ते आख्या सीट वयले आख्खी नागडी केल्या जाल्यार पुलीस स्टेशनान वालोर हूंय उरला पुलिसांची जबाबदारी ती एक तेगे कस्टडी आहा म्हणून तेगे जबाबदारी ती शेतां ना ग्रावंडां ना पुलीस स्टेशना मुखार दवरली ती गाडी सो तेमगेलो कायदो गाडये चोवपाचो.
Jesus Antau has held police responsible for the missing spare parts of the vehicle and he says the bike was under police custody. Antau has demanded probe by the Home Minister.
ताका लागून हांव म्हणटा आमगेलो होम मिनिस्टर गोंयचो तेणें हेजी एक्शन घेचें कडक एक्शन घेचें आनी हे पुलिसां दाखय शिक्षा दिची सारकी.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Following series of robberies, police are now apprehending suspicious people roaming during late night. Night patrol has been intensified. 7 additional PCR vans are exclusively given from North to South Goa police for night vigil. Meanwhile, robbers struck at Mapsa on Sunday night. Ravalnath Nivas and SS Jewelers were robbed of 5 lakh rupees.
3 houses in Nue area were robbed in wee hours of Friday. Robbers had also tried to break open shutters of a jewellery shop and medical store, but the beat got foiled. SP South Goa Shekhar Prabhu Desai has assured that crime will be curbed now on a larger scale.
रातचे जे भोंवतात पळय सस्पिशियस जे भोंवतात तांकां आमी अंडर 41 अरेस्ट करता आनी आफ्टर व्हेरिफिकेशन तांचे जेन्युइन एड्रेस विड्रेस आसा अशें जाल्या उपरांत आमी तांकां सोडटा ना जे गोंयकार आसा पळय तांचे आमी व्हेरीफाय करता.
Some details after that.
न्ही गाडी तांच्यांनी हांगा SGPD मार्केटा कडेन सोडली ती आमी अटॅच केल्या ती आमकां मेळ्ळी अरावंड 30. नायट पेट्रोलिंग इंटेन्सिफाय केल्लें आसा. एडिशनल 7 PCR vans have been given to us from north. So we are covering Margaon, Maina Kurtari and Kolwa. So even interior parts are now being covered.
Meanwhile, a residence and a jewellery shop was robbed at Mapsa behind Maharudra Sausthan and at Keniwada. Ravarnath Niwas at Keniwada was robbed. Cash and a DVD writer of a laptop was stolen. Robbers looted SS Jewellers and decamped with jewellery worth 5 lakhs. Jewellery shop is situated just 100 meters away from Ravarnath Niwas. Police are on the search. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Panaji Mayor Surendra Furtado says it's end game for State Congress if he is denied the ticket this time for 2017 Assembly elections. But he has faith in newly formed committee under Luisin Falero. He has alleged that Panaji Assembly ticket was sold during last Assembly election. Babush will withdraw and his CCP panel will support me if I am given a Congress ticket. Surendra Furtado spoke to Prudent in our weekly Head On.
What if Congress doesn't give you a ticket?
Why you doubt that they will not give? If it happens, then it is the RIP of Congress. Election, this 2.5 years back, I was number 1 on the list. The observer, Mr. Reddy and Mr. Subhash Shirvadkar came to my house at breakfast and they said, you start the campaign, start your work. In the end, some bags exchanged and I was denied a ticket. I am confident that Babush Munsaraj will support me in the end.
Babush will not contest.
I think so. God will put it in his mind that give Suren a chance.
So you are leaving it to God.
I am telling the people of Panjim, give me one chance to be a MLA. If I don't perform in 5 years, vote me out.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.